Have you ever asked an AI a question and gotten an answer back instantly, almost like a reflex? But then you ask it something way more complex, and you can almost feel it pause, like it's actually thinking. Well, you're not imagining it. Turns out, not all AI responses are created equal. And in this explainer, we're going to break down that crucial difference between an AI that just talks and one that truly thinks.
Okay, let's get right into it. At its core, AI really operates in two main ways. Over here on the left, you've got the impulsive or talking model. You can think of this as its gut reaction. It's super fast, super intuitive. It spits out answers almost immediately because it's just matching patterns it's seen before. It's reacting, not really reasoning. But then on the right, you have the thinking model. Now this one is much slower, more deliberate and logical. It doesn't just jump to a conclusion. It actually takes the time to break a problem down.
So the official term for this thinking AI is a reasoning model. What's cool about these is that they're specifically trained to generate what's called a chain of thought. This means instead of just giving you the final answer, they actually produce all the logical steps they took to get there. They're literally showing their work. Of course, they take longer, but that's by design. They're using more brain power, more computational power on the problem, which, you guessed it, dramatically improves their chances of getting the right answer on those really tricky tasks.
And this brings us to the central trade-off here, right? The talking model, that's all about instant gratification. It's quick, it's efficient, and it's fantastic for those rapid-fire tasks. The thinking model, though, is built for something completely different: deep accuracy. It's willing to sacrifice that speed for precision and reliability. So the choice between them isn't about which one is better overall, but which one is better for what you need right now.
So the big question is, which approach is actually better? Well, as you can see here, the answer completely depends on your goal. If you look at the talking AI column, you see all the tasks where speed is king. Whipping up a quick email, brainstorming some fun marketing slogans, or just generating a bunch of content really fast. But then look over to the right. For the heavy-duty stuff, complex strategic planning, deep data analysis, or debugging some really gnarly code, precision is everything. In those cases, you absolutely need an AI that reasons, not one that just reacts. So here's the real takeaway. Thinking about AI isn't about finding that one single perfect model. It's about building a toolkit. A carpenter wouldn't use a sledgehammer for a tiny finishing nail, right? It's the exact same idea here. You have to select the right AI tool for the job. Getting that choice right is the absolute key to getting the best possible results.
All right, let's explore what happens when an AI is truly powered by reasoning. We're talking about a massive leap in what these systems can do, moving way beyond just generating text and becoming a real partner in solving complex, high-stakes problems.
And this isn't just theory. It's already a game changer in these fields. In finance and law, for instance, a reasoning model can comb through thousands of pages of documents and spot hidden risks a human might totally miss. In scientific research, especially in pharmaceuticals, they can analyze huge data sets to find patterns that are crucial for discovering new drugs. And for engineers, they can trace a single bug through millions of lines of code. In these areas, a fast, plausible-sounding answer isn't just unhelpful, it can be downright dangerous.
And this quote really says it all, doesn't it? The more critical the task, the more you need an AI that thinks. When precision is the only thing that matters, a reasoning model isn't just some helpful tool, it becomes an indispensable partner. So really getting this core difference between a talking AI and a thinking AI is absolutely fundamental. It's the key to truly mastering this technology and using it to its absolute full potential.
For more deep dives into the world of AI, where we break down complex topics into clear, easy-to-understand explainers just like this one, make sure to subscribe to SimplifyBites. Thanks so much for watching.